Righto. So we're going to adjust the trigger on my Tikka rifle. This rifle is a T3X light, chambered in 3006. So at the moment it's a factory trigger setting. It should be anywhere from 3 to 4.5 pounds or something. So what we're going to do is, today is lighten that trigger right up. Ideally I'd like to get it around that 2 pounds, 2 to 3. I've got a little tester here that we can test the standard trigger pull, and then we'll lighten it up and then we'll test it again and see what we've got. Yeah, there's no mag in the rifle. It's got the bolt in. Yeah, it's 100% safe. There's nothing in there, but we'll use this to test her. So anyway, let's get into it. Got a real basic setup here with the string, guys. This is just to test the poundage that the factory trigger has. So this is just measuring in pounds. I'll reset it. I'll try it again. 4.4. Reset it. 4.5. Resetting. 4.1. 4.4. Don't know if you can see that. So it's averaging around just over 4 pounds. So you got 3 little screws, guys, that'll take the stock out away from the barrel. I've got these little bits. What's this one called? A T25. When you take them out, you'll have long ones and short ones, so just keep them in order. Long ones are at the rear of the stock, and then at the front it'll get shorter as you go. Really easy to take this stock off, eh? And I'm a greenhorn at this. I'm no pro. This is literally the first time doing it. Alright, so they're off. Yeah, that should just pop straight out. There you go. Alright, so we will adjust that screw in there, that little grub screw. Attach into this, and that'll lighten the trigger. And we'll unscrew it till it hits this screw going in here. You can't make it too light because it'll go all the way out till it hits, and that's it. So it can't fall out. Trigger can't be too light. Hopefully we can get it. What was it? Just over 4 pound. But if we can get it closer to 2. Righto, that's it. So you can see there, it's just touching. Where are we? Just touching that one, so it can't move any further. And then we'll just reverse the process, put everything back together, and we'll test it again. Just lift that up. Righto. It's looking pretty good. Righto guys, we've adjusted the trigger, we've got the gun back together, there's still no mag in it, everything's safe. We'll go ahead, we'll test this trigger. That's live, we've got the red dot, she's ready to go. We've got the string just around the trigger mechanism to see what she's pulling. I'll turn this on so it's at 0. There we go, and we'll pull it. 2.8. So we'll do a few dry runs and we'll see what we're getting. Alright, reset him again. 2.6. So you remember the factory trigger. So you got to remember the factory from this was pulling on average about 4.2, and from adjusting that screw, 2.6. That's cool. We've dropped it a fair bit. So it's reading about 2.6 pound. Yeah, so easy, guys. It feels so much better in the hand just doing that. That's awesome. It's nowhere near, it's not super light, it's not a hair trigger. That's perfect. I find that I was torquing the gun a bit on some of my longer shots with deer, and over 200 meters, if you torque your hand just a little bit, like something extra you got to focus on when you don't want to, especially if you've only got seconds to shoot. So that's beautiful. That's really good. So that's it, guys. Super easy. Your Tikka TX3 is really easy to adjust, guys, your trigger pull. So this one's chambered in 30-06, and yeah, it's getting all ready for the red deer roar coming up. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. Hopefully we can head out and yeah, give her a test run. We need some meat bad, so stay tuned.